Welcome. Welcome to your daily English boost. Today, you're going to learn 50 easy and powerful small talk phrases to help you speak English naturally and confidently. Let's get started and make your English conversations better every day. I usually start my day with a cup of tea. The weather is really nice today. I enjoy meeting new people. Talking to strangers helps me build confidence. A simple smile can start a great conversation. I often talk about the weather to break the ice. Compliments are a great way to start small talk. Sharing hobbies makes conversations interesting. I always listen carefully to show respect. Being polite makes every conversation better. I like to talk about weekend plans. I find it easy to talk about food. Travel stories make great small talk topics. I avoid serious topics in casual conversations. Humor helps me connect with others quickly. I speak slowly to be clearly understood. Body language is part of good communication. Small talk builds strong relationships. I stay positive during conversations. Asking about someone's day shows interest. I talk about books or movies I enjoyed. I share fun facts to keep it light. Talking about pets makes people smile. I mention recent events casually. Music is a safe and fun topic. I always try to stay friendly and calm. People enjoy talking about their hobbies. I use simple words in English to stay clear. I keep eye contact to show I'm listening. I nod my head to show agreement. I add short stories to keep it engaging. I never interrupt during small talk. My tone stays warm and friendly. I repeat names to remember them better. I always thank the person at the end. Smiling helps break any awkwardness. Sharing common interests builds trust. I speak clearly, not too fast or too slow. I keep my phone away during conversations. I ask simple follow-up questions. I avoid controversial subjects. I show interest in the other person's answers. I keep the conversation balanced. I change topics smoothly. I use everyday experiences as conversation starters. I focus on being natural, not perfect. I enjoy practicing small talk with friends. Every conversation helps me improve my English. I stay curious about others. Small talk is the first step to big connections.